सभी साथियों को मेरा नमो बुद्धाय, जय भीम, जय मूल निवासी। साथियों, जैसा कि पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो बामसेप का राष्ट्रीय अधिवेशन होने जा रहा है उसकी अपील इंग्लिश में भी मैं बनाऊंगा। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम वो जो अपील छपी गई है उस अपील को इंग्लिश में हम रीडिंग करेंगे, ताकि हमारे भारत देश में भी बहुत सारा ऐसा एरिया है जहाँ पर अपनी लोकल लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है और वहाँ हिंदी टूटी फूटी इसमें ही समझी जाती है या बोली जाती है। खासकर साउथ इंडिया में और जो कोस्टल एरिया है वहाँ पर उनकी लोकल लैंग्वेज में वो ज़्यादा व्यवहार करते हैं। और इसके अलावा जो एनआरआई है, जो फॉरेन में रहते हैं, तो उन लोगों को भी इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा अच्छी सुविधा जाएगी। तो इसीलिए इंग्लिश में भी अपील बामसेप की तरफ से जारी की गई है और उसी को हम इस वीडियो में उस अपील को हम पढ़ेंगे, रीडिंग करेंगे, ताकि हमारे भाइयों को वो अपील जो है वो इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा ठीक तरीके से समझ में आए। बामसेप एंड राष्ट्रीय मूल निवासी संघ 39th ज्वाइंट नेशनल कन्वेंशन अपील इज Last year we had organized 38th National Convention in virtual manner. Point also, the National Convention preceding it was held in virtual manner only. Therefore, it has been decided that this year 39th National Convention of BAMSEP should be organized in physical presence. Keeping this in mind, preparation have been started throughout the country. We could not organize the National Convention in 2020 and 2021 physically. Our activity were nervous due to this because it has become our tradition to organize the National Convention every year, and our activities were accustomed to it. There was error in the tradition, and in order to remove that error, it has become necessary to organize national convention in physically presence. Our educated activists also had entreated it. Therefore, expecting their entreaty, this national convention is being held in physical presence. This is first point of appeal, and second point of appeal is under any circumstances. Heading is under any circumstances. Since last 2 years, National Convention was not held in physical presence, therefore some difficulties may need to be faced in organizing National Convention physically, and that's quite natural also. Notwithstanding that, we have decided that this year 39th National Convention will be held in physical presence under any circumstances in any situation. Next point or heading is strategy of the movement. Since last 49 years, we have been making preparation for nationwide movement. Because of those preparation, today our movement of holding protest at the RSS headquarters was successful. To announce intent, it was more successful because of the foolishness of the police. If those people keep repeating such kind of foolhardy, we will be more successful in future. Then next point is no halla bol, no gherav. This movement was not for siege or halla bol on the RSS headquarters, but the movement was for protection of our constitutional rights and the constitution, and to the conspiracy to divide the country. We were only staging protest against this. This point is no halla bol, no gherav. And next heading or point is national wide impact. Under the point of national wide impact, matter is, after reviewing this movement, we came to the conclusion that this movement has created a national wide impact. Therefore, it is necessary to further strengthen the organization meant for agitation and make more preparation. Therefore, the future will be emphasized only on expansion of the movement. Next point of appeal is BAMSEF non-agitational. You know that BAMSEF is a non-agitational organization, but today there is the greatest need of agitation. Success of an agitation is reaped after the non-political roots and strength, and the job of strength non-political roots is performed by BAMSEF, because this is the task of BAMSEF. This is 39th National Convention of BAMSEF. Its preparation have been started. Where and when this National Convention will be held, its announce will be made soon. All the employees of SC, ST, OBC and minorities, communities and well-wishers of BAMSEF are appealed to support and cooperate physically in order to make this National Convention successful. Thank you, yours, Vaman Meshram, National President, BAMSEF, New Delhi.